Where to install solar batteries in your home. A key question to consider when looking to have a home battery installed is where to put it. Let's get an answer to this question in this video. Here are some typical installation spaces. An attached or detached garage. On an exterior wall or outdoors as long as it's 3 feet away from doors or windows. In a utility closet or a storage or utility space. But there are several factors such as weather, climate, and battery weight that determine where your battery can be installed. Weather and climate. Many batteries can be installed indoors and outdoors. In areas of extreme climate variability, such as heavy rainfall, extreme sunshine, and humidity, it's best to install the battery indoors to maximize its life and minimize any chance of damage. Weight of the battery. The engineer should be able to examine your house and recommend areas and fittings that would be able to withstand the weight of the battery, while also meeting building codes. Ventilation and safety. As batteries can emit flammable gases, ensure your storage system is set up in a well-ventilated area that isn't near any main living spaces or flammable materials. Serviceability. When choosing a spot to install your battery, it's best to choose a place that's easily accessible in case it needs to be serviced. System size. If you're installing a storage system with multiple batteries, you'll want to make sure you install it in a place where you can maintain a safe distance between each of the batteries. Manufacturer requirements. Many manufacturers include specific instructions on where to install their batteries, and, if you don't follow these requirements, you might end up voiding their warranty. Thank you for watching. Give a thumb up if you liked the video and please subscribe Solar SME YouTube channel for more useful solar content.